Right?
really.
Not really? Oh.
Korean.
The Symphony of Light is time is 8, right?
Yeah,
PM.
that's 8.
아, 이걸 타는 건가 보다. Oh, so big.
Out of pain, some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
홍콩 현지 친구 라비냐를 한번 만나러 가볼 거예요. 저도 한국에서 잠깐 보고 인스타그램으로 서로 연락을 하고 지내다가 이번에 제가 홍콩에 와서 서로 시간이 된다 그래서 지금 보기로 했고 같이 저녁을 먹기로 했는데 어떤 걸 먹고 싶냐고 물어보더라고요. 사실 저는 뭐 아무거나 다 잘 먹는다, 네가 먹고 싶은 걸 먹자, 네가 좋아하는 음식을 먹자라고 얘기를 하니까 장소를 보냈는데 한국인들한테도 유명한 팀호환 아시죠? 한국에서 사실 엄청 강남에도 있는데 엄청 핫해서 예약해서 먹어야 되는 그런 집이잖아요. 팀호환은 굳이 한국에서 먹을 수 있는 거를 먹어야 되나 싶어서 우선순위 뒤로 밀어놨었는데 라비냐가 이제 먹자고 하는 거 보면 그래도 밸류 가치가 있는 것 같아서 그래 먹자라고 해서 지금 가고 있습니다. 저기 있다. Hi. Hi. I see you. How long time you get it here?
No, just like filming this. Are you filming vlog?
Can I make a video? Is it okay? Thank you. Tim Hoan in Korea too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I didn't try before.
Have you had dim sum before?
Last night. Last night. But it's central, you know, dim sum scare. I think it's not that famous, right?
I don't know, but you should have told me we can try something else.
Okay.
Do you have anything that you don't eat?
I can do everything.
Seriously?
Yeah. And you?
Not really, but yeah, I just don't eat mushrooms.
Okay, no problem.
Is there anything? I'll say biscuit is
Are you hungry? Or
yeah, I haven't eaten.
really? Usually I eat lunch across the street.
Yeah.
There is some local food. Through my guest house friend recommend that restaurant. It was very nice. And
What is it? Like, what food is it?
it's kind of noodle and there are beef and
I
wonton.
think I know. I think I know. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
You know.
it's very nice. I like it as well.
So I think let's try this one and then if we need more we can order, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good restaurant in Hong Kong.
Yeah. It's like my dad always recommend. Like sometimes my friend will travel here, and my dad always say, "Hey, take them to here because they have some good dim sum."
This is wash, right?
Yeah, you wash it first.
Can you show me? Because some Korean got the review, they try to drink this one.
Yeah,
It's embarrassing.
for drinking, but you have
이거 신기하네요. 컵을 여기다 씻는 거예요. 신기하다. 식기를 다 뜨거운 물로 씻네요. So we don't use this one?
use it. It's basically a bowl.
아, 네.
Yeah, you just wash it and then you can now drink it.
Drink?
Yeah.
Wash and drink.
Wash it and drink.
So this is tea.
Yeah. I need to teach you how to speak Cantonese. I need to teach you how to speak Cantonese. When you want to say thank you in Cantonese, say Yes. Yes, that's
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's Hongkong. So CSA is Chinese.
Chinese is so it's different. Cantonese is guy. You can literally say it in every sentence. When anyone gives you things, you simply say guy. Yeah.
Going for having.
Let's
Okay, try. What is the dish name? Dim sum?
rice roll.
Rice roll.
Like a roll.
Rice roll. Inside of pork.
It's pork liver.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. Oh, I should say
아, 그 안에 간이 들었네요. In Cantonese saying delicious, I learned how to say delicious in Chinese. How to, right?
Yeah.
Say.
Basically, the words is the same, but the pronunciation is not the same. In Cantonese is whole sec.
Wholesale.
Yeah.
I think I need to learn Cantonese, not Chinese. Nice. Not heavy. And when I feel hungry, I usually try to eat nuts. Yeah.
Korean always. You guys always have a good body. Like they try to keep fit and go to gym every day. I don't know why. Because everyone is so skinny when I went to
You
Korea.
feel that?
Yeah, I feel like everyone is muscular and I don't know. That's the bun. The char siu bun. Siu. Bao. Yes. That's the pork inside. And sauce. I don't know.
Maybe sweet, right? Really
It's
sweet.
quite sweet. Yeah.
This is the shomai, hakao.
Hakao. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, you know.
이게 그 유명한 핫가우고 이게 안에 포크가 들었는데 이름 까먹었다. 차시우바오, 차시우바오라고 하는데 되게 달달한 돼지고기가 들어있다고 생각하면 됩니다.
It's hot. Be careful.
오케이.
Don't burn your mouth.
안에 이렇게 돼지고기 달달한 게 들었는데 어제 먹었던 거랑 되게 비슷한 것 같아요. 맛있다. Delicious. 김호환 맛있네요. Hakao has only shrimp, right?
A bit. I think there's a bit pork inside. But not a lot. Mainly shrimp.
와, 새우가 꽉 차 있다. 알차네요, 여기.
Which one do you like the most?
This one is special for me. I usually couldn't try to this one in Korea, but I think this one is I didn't try it before, but the taste is not for special, but this one is for special. But everything is good.
Glad you like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Is there any place that you haven't been in Hong Kong that you want to go?
Actually, have some plan. I did it already. And then only one is I couldn't try to take Harry. Yeah. So I want to try take Harry and want to see the night view. Yeah. Actually, yeah.
Yeah, we can take. We can go to Dream Statue and take ferry to Central, and we can have drink in Central.
That's nice.
That sounds good.
Okay. Actually, I visited the Victoria Park yesterday. I wanted to see the. I heard that there is Victoria Queen statue before. Yeah, so I wanted to see because I read the book Humanity of Hong Kong. The Victoria Queen statue, the Japanese took for make bullet before, but they dip it and then come back to Hong Kong. So I wanted to see this about she's very almost died before, and then come back. So I want to see this, but there is no. Now security, I asked them. They say this is in Central now. They say.
Oh, I don't even know. I think you're local. You're from Hong Kong.
I just like to read about humanity. That's all. 오케이. 친구가 또 저를 초대해줘서 밥은 제가 샀습니다. 가자. You're there, right?
I know.
Yeah. Of course. I'm Hongkonger.
You are a good traveler.
I just trying. I heard that this octopus cut is very good for many things. We can pay with this, but the only one is cannot. That is taxi.
Yeah.
Right.
Some taxi driver will have a machine like those
For octopus, huh?
octopus. But usually you can't.
Right. I read that the reason is Hong Kong has kind of a tip culture, right? They allow to pay by octopus card. They cannot get the tip. So taxi driver against about this.
Oh. Not really.
Not really? Oh.
Because usually we eat like for local people. They don't pay tips. Maybe for traveler. I don't know.
I see.
And nowadays you can call Uber, so it's not necessary.
Yes, right. This is same with Taiwan.
Yeah.
Like this.
But they are like this.
That's right.
They're not like this.
Even in Hong Kong subway, cannot drink water.
Yeah.
Right.
You can't eat
Anything.
anything.
The same
Gum.
Taiwan.
I think
Yeah.
you can eat gum.
Yeah.
But in Korea you can eat. You eat. Yeah.
But people thinking
don't like it.
don't like it.
And it's always packed in Korea's subway. It's so crowded.
Yeah.
So crazy.
지하철 탔습니다. 페리 타러 간다. Finally, I take the ferry.
You don't get seasick, right?
I get.
You do?
Yeah. But I think ferry is okay. But small boat, yeah, I get this. It's crazy. When I tried to sea fishing with my friend, yeah, I was dead. Crazy.
Wow. You even was fishing.
Yeah. Including me, 3 guys. So 1 guy is okay and 2 guys vomit. It's crazy. Even we ate the field. Yeah, about field. But it doesn't hurt.
I would die
Yeah.
if I had
that too?
I do put not for the small, like not for this one.
Yeah, right. The Symphony of Light is time is 8, right?
Yeah,
PM.
that's 8. But I feel like it's so boring.
Yeah, right.
It's just flashing.
Yeah, right. I watched this the first day. Yeah, no need more.
Do you want to go up and down or lower?
Oh,
Like lower or up?
which one is better?
I think it's the same. I feel like
You can check. I love it. Wow. These people will take carry, right? This is awesome. This is awesome. Ah, octopus.
that's
Yeah.
why we need octopus.
와, 이게 일반 표 사는 줄이고 여기가 옥토퍼스 줄인데, 와, 무조건 옥토퍼스 카드를 준비를 해야 되겠네요. 우리 옥토퍼스가 되는 데가 이쪽에 한 군데밖에 없나 봐요. 여기 사는 줄인가 보다. Oh, this is ferry, right? We will take this one. 아, 이걸 타는 건가 보다. Oh, so big. 지금 이게 평일 오후 7시. 와, 진짜 많다, 사람. 자리가 없으면 서서 가야 될 수도 있다고 하네요. 근데 한 10분 정도만 가는 거라서 상관없을 것 같긴 한데. 와. Be careful.
Where do you want to eat?
Maybe window seat, please.
If we can. If we can find a seat.
Okay. 와, 이게 페리 내부네. 페리가 보면은 침사추이에서 홍콩 섬으로 넘어가는데 가장 저렴한 교통수단이고 제일 오래된 교통수단이라고 하네요. 홍콩인들이 가장 애용하고 가장 먼저 발달한 교통수단이라고 합니다.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every
진짜 낭만적이긴 하네요. 여기 보면은 sorry.
아니요, 괜찮아요. 네, 지금
한국 사람이세요?
예, 한국말을 해서 내가 지금 찾아보는 거예요. 반가워요.
this time. I thought I would never be fine.
아, 예쁘긴 하네요, 진짜.
I strive just to say I'm
홍콩 invest too much. Right, for right. 진짜 딱 한 10분도 안 걸리는 것 같아요. 금방 왔다. Let's go.
but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.